In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk email from Microsoft Outlook efficiently using our 2025 guide. Whether you're reaching out to a group of colleagues, a client list, or a network of friends, this method will help you streamline your efforts. So let's dive right into it and make this task as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Outlook website. Log in with your credentials, and you should find yourself on the main Outlook page. With this done, focus your attention on the left-hand pane and click on the People icon. This is where you will manage your contacts and eventually create lists for bulk emailing. Now, while you're in the People view, look for the section labeled All Contacts. Here, there's an option to create a new contact list, which is exactly what we need. So let's click on Create a Contact List. This feature allows you to categorize and manage a subset of contacts, making it easier to send emails to multiple recipients at once. Upon clicking, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your new contact list. Let's go ahead and name it something straightforward like bulk to easily identify its purpose later. Naming it clearly helps you, especially if you are handling multiple lists. Next, you will be ready to add email addresses to this list. Start by typing in the first email address. Once that's entered, click Add. This action saves the email to your newly created list. If you have more addresses to add, simply repeat the process. Type the email address and click Add. Take your time here to ensure all necessary contacts are included. Once you've finished adding all the desired email addresses, check everything over to make sure no one is left out and that there are no typos. Accuracy at this stage is crucial as it prevents email bounces or lost communications. Satisfied with your list? Great! Go ahead and click on Create. This finalizes your contact list and makes it available for use. Now let's move on to sending your bulk email. Click on the new list you just created and then click on Send Email. This will open up a new email draft with all your contacts from the bulk list automatically added to the recipient fields. From here, you can compose your message as usual. Take care to double check your subject line and body for clarity and professionalism, especially if this is for formal communication. And there you have it. You've successfully set up and utilized a bulk email list in Outlook. Remember, this setup not only saves you enormous time, but also helps ensure consistency in your communication. Happy emailing, and thanks for watching.